Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel NM Vlogs and ISC BSc Botany Study Care. So, in my previous videos, I already tell about the what is selected plant disease or what is plant disease, how the plant can be affected from the diseases, or who is the most causes part in case of plant diseases. So, I already tell you some pathogens, they have causes plant diseases. They may be fungi, bacteria, virus. So I already tell you about the bacterial diseases, or the most bacterial diseases are citrus canker, then and angular leaf spot. And I also tell you about the citrus canker and symptoms of citrus canker, then etiology of citrus canker. So in my today class, I tell something about the pathology of citrus canker. So what is pathology? We all know that why we are going to the pathology, because of to identify the host organism or the microorganism. So what is pathology? Pathology means to identify the causal organism. Then we have take proper medicine. So we are going to know about the pathology in citrus canker. So pathology. Pathology. Mostly we all know that bacteria are penetrate in the plant body through natural opening or ons or maybe stomata. So the bacteria enter to the plant body through stomata or ons or natural opening. Natural opening. First the bacteria are rapidly multiplied in middle lamella. First the bacteria are rapidly multiplied in intercellular spaces. Then dissolve the middle lamella. Then established in the cortex. So the bacteria are first rapidly multiplied in intercellular spaces, then dissolve the middle lamella, then establish in the cortex. We all know that what is cortex. In my anatomy video, I already tell about the cortex. The anatomy of stem can be classified into three types: epidermis, then cortex, then stellar region. So we all know that what is cortex. Then experimentally the symptoms are appear in 14 days. So the symptoms are appear in 14 days. But in field environment, the citrus canker or these bacteria may take several months from the day of infection, and these bacteria developed in number the temperature between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. So the temperature is between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The pathogen spreads from the cankers by rain. The pathogen can spread. The pathogen can spread by rain, insects, and human being. This is all about the pathology of citrus canker. Then control. How we can control the spread of the citrus canker disease. So control. In control, first point is eradication and burn. So what is eradication and what burn? You all know that burn means jole daba. So eradication means in the citrus plant, in which part of the plant can be affected from this disease, then we have removed this part, that is known as eradication, and burn this part. And the second point is pruning. So pruning means in which part of the citrus plant affected from this disease we have cutting down, or we have cutting this plant, or we have cut down this plant part, that is known as pruning. So pruning means